Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's The Marketer here. And just a little background before we go into today's video. My name is Terran Brown. I am 27 years old. I'm a internet/affiliate marketer from Jamaica. I'm sure you've already seen the caption for today's video, and that is how to build a massive email list for free. You heard me. I'll be showing you step by step how you can build a huge email list 100% free. Now, all that you would need to have this done is a desktop or PC and a reliable internet connection. Now, if you could quickly pull up your browser with me, I'll go through this step by step. If you have Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, that's fine. In this video, we'll be using Google Chrome. Now, the first step is to search for Shanes Tool. That's ShanesTool and search. Now, it will be at the very top of the results. That's the one that we'll be using. So you'll go ahead and click on that, allow a few seconds for it to load, and there we go. Now you'd like to scroll down to the highlighted part here that's in blue, and you would left click on your mouse and drag it all the way to the top of your bookmark bar. And there you go. We'll leave it there for now and we'll get back to it shortly. Now open a new tab, and here's where the fun comes in. We'll be entering a little code here in Google and we will be pulling up some emails. Now the first step is to type site space, that's site:/ space facebook.com space, and then the next part here, whichever niche that you're in, let's say you're in the weight loss, make money online, stuff like that, you would enter that niche here. So we'll be using make money online, and then end quotation and space. Then the next step, you would like to enter the country that you would like the email to come from. So in this case, we'll be using USA as seen in the history here. So quotation first, USA, quotation, then space again, and then whichever email provider that they use, let's say they use Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, AOL, whichever. In this case, we'll be using Gmail. We'll put at gmail.com, end quotation, and search. Allow a few seconds for it to load. And after this page load, we'll be going back to the Shanes tool so that we could extract this email. Now, if you look closely here, all the results are mainly from Facebook. So it's pulling all the results from facebook.com. And if you look here, here is the email address. And scroll all the way down. They're all from Facebook. Now, you wouldn't want to go ahead and copy and paste all these email addresses all at once. So that's where the Shanes tool come in play. So we'll go back to your Shanes tool here, click on the Shanes tool, and you would like to scroll down to scrape emails. One click, and that is all. Now, what this does, if you look right here, what this does, all the email addresses that's on this page here, page 1, it pulls the information on that page. So you would like to scroll down, go to page 2, then you will click on the Shanes tool again, scrape emails. Oh, it says no emails found. Okay, that's fine. Scroll down, page 3. Then we'll like to scrape emails, and there it found a few emails there. Scroll down, page 4. We'll go up to page 6. But you can do as much as you like. So we scrape emails here, Scroll down, page 5, scrape the email. Okay, so let's say you do not want only Gmail. All that you would do here is you would change the gmail.com and enter yahoo.com and search. Now if you look closely here, it will be pulling all the Yahoo emails. So let's scrape those emails. Scroll down and you would see all the emails here. Right there. Now this works for any niche that you're in. Let's say you're in weight loss. All that you would do, you would enter weight loss right here. Weight loss and search. Now all the email addresses associated with weight loss will be pulled up right there. Click on the Shane's tool, scrape emails, and you have your emails right there. Now after you're finished scraping the emails, you can do as much as you like. You will then need to extract the emails from here. Now if you look closely, you would see that they have a dot or a semicolon. You would like to get rid of that. The next step is to open a new tab and search for email extractor. Now you'd like to use the very first option that pops up. This is the one that I definitely recommend. It's super easy to use. All that you would do is you would pull up back your Shane's tool and you will copy all the email addresses that you have. Don't worry about the part that says intelligent software. Don't worry about that. Minimize that screen and you would paste all the email addresses here and click extract. Now what this do, all the contents in that list that are email addresses, it will pull and it will just extract the rest. So now that you have your list here, you're good to go. Now this is useful for persons that are just starting out in affiliate marketing, or you're starting your online business. You'd like to do let's say lead generation. You would extract email addresses from certain niche and you would sell those email addresses as lead generation. Or if you are starting out in affiliate marketing and you're promoting other person's products, you don't have audiences yet, you have no funds to do paid advertising, and you'd like to do some free methods, this is definitely a good way to start. You could send out the emails to these email addresses and you would get a few signups, you would get a few sales. So this is definitely great for those persons starting out with their affiliate marketing efforts. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It really helps this video out a lot. The Marketer out. I'll see you in the next one.